Welcome back. Well, a beauty across the area today. Cool start, mild finish as advertised. 42 the start, 73 the high. Look at the records. Maybe we can get into the mid-80s this time of year, but we need more of a westerly wind. Today was west to southwest and 25 degrees just 3 years ago back in 2021. So we can have big variations in February, but right now it looks like we're tilted more towards spring-like temperatures. So let's get into it and let's take a look at those temperatures in my favorite scattered plot over the last 30 days. We'll plot up the highs and the lows and where we've been winding up over the last 30 days. And remember, we started with the deep freeze. That was in January. We had some cold days in January. And then more recently, we were starting to see milder days. So it's either one extreme or the other. You know, we could have a few dots here in the warm days, cool nights, which is where we should be in February. But it's been one extreme to the other, and that's the way it goes around here. And right now we're on spring mode, mainly because the polar jet stream has taken a spring break and staying up toward Canada. Meanwhile, low pressures out in the Pacific, keeping it very busy in the Pacific Northwest and along the West Coast. And for us, just a nice dry northwesterly flow aloft, meaning lots of sunshine out there during the course of the day today. So here's the weather pattern. Still the threat of heavy rainfall, as you might have seen in the earlier package that we aired here on KATC. You'll see more about it on the evening news. And still winter storm warnings for another couple of feet of snow in the Sierra Nevada range. They'll take it after the big boom year last year, another one maybe this year, and the West will take whatever moisture they can get because we know very dry years are ahead down the road. Meanwhile, we're dominated by high pressure. It's shifted out into the central Gulf of Mexico, so we're seeing that light southwest wind, and this high pressure system kind of gets close to us overnight tonight, so those light winds stay light and get lighter. Temperatures lower 50s, but notice the dew points right around 50, so we're going to have high humidity, and with moisture and milder air coming in from the Gulf, that should set up for the air to kind of settle down and fog over across the region. So we do have some fog in the forecast overnight tonight. That fog lifts quickly as we get breezy temperatures in the lower 70s. We see those gusty south to southwest winds tomorrow afternoon, and it gets even windier, believe it or not, going into Thursday. Look at the temperatures come Thursday morning, low to mid 60s. That's close to where we should be for daytime highs this time of year. The normal high about 67 or so. And then as we head into Thursday afternoon, windy conditions, winds gusting close to 30. Here's a frontal boundary. There might be a few showers in the area, but we can't go much higher than 10 or 15%. So we'll go with 15% for now. Breezy conditions, drier conditions moving back in for Friday. We get back into the 70s Friday, but we'll be cooling off going into the weekend at nights. In fact, long-range projection, the weekend is looking great. Lots of sunshine Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s more than likely. Then mid to late next week, a little bit more unsettled. Here's a stronger frontal boundary. Maybe some showers and storms come Wednesday, and then an unsettled pattern to round out the end of next week and as we head into the first day of March. Meanwhile, in the near term, this is the fog situation. You can see how things will begin to fog over as we head toward daybreak tomorrow. Notice by the coast where it will be breezier, maybe the fog won't be so bad, and that's how it erodes from the south to the north as those winds pick up during the course of the mid-morning and the afternoon hours. A breezy day ahead for sure. Temperatures tonight, low to mid 50s. Tomorrow we'll favor low to mid 70s, and tomorrow night lower 60s for most of us, so we stay in the 60s and well into the mid 70s for your Thursday. As for the wind situation, the winds will be picking up tomorrow afternoon. These are wind gusts in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range. The breeze stays with us tomorrow night into Thursday afternoon. Notice a lot more in the way of 30 showing up, so winds gusting 30 to 35. We'll probably see a wind advisory come Thursday coming from the National Weather Service. Probably they'll issue that tomorrow at about this time. 52 the low tonight, not as cool. Areas of fog developing across the area, so keep that in mind if you have any early morning travel plans. Then for tomorrow, that fog burns off, partly sunny skies for the rest of the day. A breezy afternoon with those winds gusting 20 to 25 during the course of the afternoon, pretty much out of the south-southwest. As we move forward, again, a windy day for Thursday. Slight rain chance Thursday evening. Front gets here pre-dawn hours on Friday, and then a good-looking weekend, milder into next week before the pattern becomes a little bit more unsettled and rain chances come back in for a couple of days. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.